Have you ever wondered why we feel the way we do? Well, it all starts right here, in our brains. Our brain is a complex organ made up of billions of neurons that work together to control our thoughts, actions, and yes, our emotions. One of the key players in processing emotions is a small but mighty structure called the amygdala. The amygdala acts as our brain's emotional alarm system. It quickly evaluates incoming information from our senses and determines whether it's a threat or something positive. When the amygdala detects a threat, it triggers a cascade of reactions throughout our body. This is often known as the fight or flight response. It prepares us to either confront the threat head-on or flee to safety. But the amygdala is not the only player in the game. Our prefrontal cortex, the front part of our brain, also plays a crucial role in processing emotions. The prefrontal cortex helps us interpret and regulate our emotions. It allows us to analyze situations, make decisions, and control impulsive responses. This is why it's often referred to as the logical part of our brain. Interestingly, these two brain regions, the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex, are in constant communication. They form a delicate balance between our emotional responses and our ability to think rationally. When the amygdala detects a threat, it sends signals to the prefrontal cortex, alerting it about the emotional response. In turn, the prefrontal cortex assesses the situation, helping us decide how to respond appropriately. It's important to note that emotions are not purely controlled by these brain regions. Other parts of the brain, such as the hippocampus and the hypothalamus, also contribute to our emotional experiences. The hippocampus helps us form memories of emotional events, while the hypothalamus regulates our physiological responses, such as heart rate and hormonal changes. Our emotions are a result of a complex interplay between different brain regions, each with its own unique role. Understanding how our brain processes emotions can help us gain insight into our emotional experiences and even develop strategies to manage them more effectively. Remember, our brains are incredible machines, constantly working to help us navigate the ups and downs of life. Please subscribe for more.